Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a screencast using WeVideo. So first of all, you're going to get signed into WeVideo. From there, just press blank edit. You'll want to use the horizontal format, start editing. Then you'll just immediately go into this media tab right here, and we're going to create a recording. So press open video or screen recorder, that red button, and then you're going to choose record screen. So the first time that you're using this recorder, you are going to need to install a Chrome extension for recording. Now, you do need to use Chrome in order to create your screencast, so make sure you're using Google Chrome, and then just follow the instructions and press install. So then you'll just install this extension, and you'll see it come up here right next to the URL bar, but you don't have to worry about it. You don't actually have to do anything with it. All you'll do is close this tab, go back to your project, and now the record option should actually work for you. Now that we're at this screen, you can choose to record the entire screen or just a window. It's easiest to just record the entire screen, so I suggest that option. If you have an external mic that you're going to plug into your computer, you can choose that microphone. But if you don't have one, you can just use your default internal microphone, which is your built-in microphone on your laptop, and that's all you need. Then press continue. When you're ready, you just record your entire screen, so just go ahead and press the share button. It'll do the 3, 2, 1 countdown, and then move over to the tab with your presentation opened. From there, you can present, and at this point, WeVideo is capturing everything that I'm saying, including everything that's happening on the screen. I can just go ahead and move through the slides, as you would do with any presentation, and talk over it. When I'm done with my presentation, just escape out of full screen and press stop sharing. At this point, this window will pop up and just press save. Go back to your WeVideo and you'll see that it is saving my recording. Depending on the length of your recording, it may take a couple of minutes to process that. You'll see right here that it says it's 99% processed. So once that says 100%, we'll be ready to go to the next step. So now we're at 100% and you can see that my recording is there. I can pull that onto the WeVideo timeline. And it's very easy to just neaten my recording up a bit because you'll see, let me play it for you. And then move over to the tab with your presentation opened. It records that bit where I'm trying to open my presentation. So if you just play until you get to the actual starting point of your presentation, from there you can present. And at this point, so say that right there is my starting point of my presentation. All you do is press the little scissors icon there. If the scissors icon looks disabled, just click on the clip and then press the scissors. And then you can delete that beginning part that you didn't really want, and it'll start at the appropriate point. We can do the same thing at the end to cut off that final clip where I was escaping full screen and talk over it. When I'm done, so right there, I was done. So I can just click the clip, press the delete key, and there we go. There's my recording of my presentation along with my voice included. When you're done, press the finish key. Then you can go ahead and produce it in HD, and I suggest that you just share it to your Google Drive. The first time you do this, you will have to allow access to your Bolus Google Drive account. And when it's ready, WeVideo will actually just send you an email that says that your file is ready and you can find it in your Google Drive. So as soon as things have finished processing, you will get the ability to download your video. You'll also get a video link that's directly in WeVideo. And if you go to your Google Drive, you will find your WeVideo project actually there. And you should also see a WeVideo folder that's automatically been created for you in your Google Drive. I put mine tucked away in my stuff and my WeVideo folder. So there it is. Anyway, I hope this helps you and that you enjoy your project.